Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is metallic bonding, positive ions in a sea of delocalized electrons. By the end of this video, you'll know why metals conduct, why they bend without breaking, and why they're so good at being wires and beams. Metallic bonding is the strong attraction between positive metal ions and the delocalized electrons that surround them. Outer electrons leave their parent atom and spread out across the whole structure. The positive ions are held in a regular lattice by their attraction to those free electrons. Three things. 1. Outer electrons are free. They don't belong to any one atom. 2. Those free electrons make metals conduct electricity and heat. 3. Layers of ions can slide past each other. That's why metals are malleable and ductile. Common slip. Saying metallic bonding is sharing covalently because it's not. Covalent sharing is between two specific atoms. Metallic sharing is across the whole lump. Electrons can drift anywhere. That free movement is what makes metals special. Quick example, a copper wire. Copper ions in a lattice with electrons drifting through it as electric current. Bend the wire, the layers slide past each other without breaking the bonding. The free electrons keep holding the new arrangement together. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.